In today's lecture, we will discuss about the structure of root. A root contains three major internal parts. First is the meristematic region, and second one is the zone of elongation, and second one is the zone of differentiation. Meristematic region is present at the tip or margin of the root and is responsible for maturation or for manufacturing new cells. This is the area where cell division and growth take place. Second area is the zone of elongation, which is present above the meristematic area, and that is in this zone cell increases in size through food and water absorption, and this increase in cell size causes the root to push through the soil. And third area is known as the zone of differentiation, which is also known as the zone of maturation. And this zone, in this zone, cells mature or differentiate into specific types of cells such as cortex, epidermal cells, or vascular tissues, etc. If we go for the cross-sectional analysis of the root, then you can say this is the epidermal area, which is present outermost, which is the outermost portion of the root, and this epidermis is responsible for the protection of the root or internal structures of the root. Here most of the time the one epidermal cell extends to form the root hair. This root hair basically increases the area of absorption for the food and various mineral nutrients. Next to the epidermis is the cortical region, or which is also known as the cortex, and this is made up of parenchyma cells, and here are some also intercellular spaces which creates aeration within the root. Next to the cortex is the endodermis, and this endodermis layer tightly fitting cells made up of tightly fitting cells, and the cells of endodermis have a band or strip which restrict the water absorption. Next to the endodermis is the layer of pericycle cells, and this pericycle is important because it has meristematic properties. It is where lateral branches or lateral roots originates, and these lateral roots forcefully grow through the other layers of the cells before entering the soil. Next to the pericycle is the vascular tissue. Vascular tissue consists of phloem and xylem. That xylem is responsible for the transport of water, while phloem is responsible for the transport of minerals and various nutrients within the soil, and this is possible with the help of these vascular tissues, and which are present in the very center of the root. This is the whole cross section of the root. Thank you.